This video is for the setup procedure for this CNC machine. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that you have the required PPE equipment to be in this lab, but also to operate the machine. The first major one is a pair of safety glasses. Now that you have safety glasses, you want to also make sure that you don't have any loose, long hair, loose, long sleeves, also that you're also wearing pants and closed-toed shoes. Now that you have that covered, you want to make sure that the machine would be operable to use. You want to make sure that there is air running to the machine. For this machine, it's 85 psi. You go to the side of the machine where there's a gauge and you want to check that. We did, and it says 85. You also want to check the oil quantity and make sure that's running good. You also want to check all the hoses, make sure there's no kinks, cracks, or any fraying or any other sort. Once you have all that checked off, you want to move to the other side of the machine in the back, and there's going to be a power switch. You want to flip that to on, and then you want to walk to the front of the machine.
So this is the startup procedure for turning on the machine. The first thing you want to do is hit the power on button, which is the green button on the control panel. Then you're going to wait a couple seconds for the machine to start up. Once the machine starts up, you want to hit the light switch. Which is on the side of the control panel. The next thing you're going to do is look at the control panel, and it's going to prompt you to release the emergency stop. Then you're going to close the door. It's going to tell you next to press the reset to enable all the servos. It's going to ask you to hit reset again, and then one more time. Now it's going to ask you to power up to 0 all the axes. Now we're going to look for the power up restart button, which is right here next to the orange reset button. As you can see, once you hit the power up restart button, the machine is going to start slowly moving to its home position. Now the machine is home and ready to use.